What's the meaning of bickering? Bickering. Bickering.
Bickering. Bickering. Bickering refers to a petty or trivial argument, usually between two people, characterized by constant and repetitive verbal exchanges about small or unimportant matters. It is often marked by a lack of resolution or a tendency to escalate over time. Bickering can occur in personal relationships or workplace settings, and can cause significant tension and stress if left unchecked. Although bickering may seem harmless at first, it can ultimately lead to more serious disputes if left unaddressed. To overcome bickering, it is important to identify the root cause of the conflict and address it openly and honestly to find a constructive solution.